Hello, Hera. So, I want to visit the Animal Daycare Center, ADCC, on 22nd Street, but I am concerned that there will be really heavy dogs there that will intimidate me. But I would still really like to go there because they have the best treats in town. So, can you help me?
Glad to, Hans. Let's do a quick study and see what we can find.
Great.
I will go to ADCC and weigh all the dogs that are there today. See you tomorrow, Hans. Okay, Hans. I weighed all the dogs that were at the ADCC. Yesterday, there were 50. Let's look at the data and make some decisions. There are a couple things you must understand. First, the group of 50 dogs I weighed is only a sample of the hundreds of dogs that come to ADCC throughout the days they are open. Second, the sample we got may or may not be representative of all the dogs that visit ADCC. Third, there are dogs visiting ADCC that weigh up to 93 pounds.
Mm, What do you mean? Why wouldn't your sample be 100% reflection of all the dogs that visit ADCC?
There is a possibility that the dogs I weighed at ADCC yesterday were, by chance, only very heavy dogs. That wouldn't be a good reflection of the actual mean or weight spread of all the dogs that visit ADCC every day that they are open. Every time we draw a sample, like we did yesterday, we must consider that there may be some sampling variation.
Okay, so what you are telling me is that every time I visit ADCC, there may be a different mean weight and different maximum weight of the visiting dogs on that day when compared with other days. So, if I visit ADCC every day, I will absolutely encounter dogs that weigh up to 93 pounds, but there will also be days when the maximum weight of the visiting dogs is less than that. Okay, I have to make the decision. Dogs weighing 67 pounds or more really scare me. So, what percentage of days will there be dogs weighing 67 pounds or more? I recognize there is a trade off between the chance of encountering a heavy dog and my desire for those amazing treats.
That's right. According to my data, only on 5% of the days there would be dogs weighing 67 pounds or more.
You know, Hera, the treats at the ADCC are so tasty, I am willing to take the chance. I will go there 95% of the days ADCC is open, 100% less than the 5% when I can expect to find dogs weighing 67 pounds or more, and hope these are the days when no dogs weigh more than 67 pounds.
If we assume that ADCC is open 100 days every year, on 5 of these days, there will be dogs there weighing 67 pounds or more. But you really won't know which days those will be. So, are you willing to accept a 5% or less chance that the days you visit ADCC, you may encounter a dog weighing 67 pounds or more? In other words, if you assume that there are no dogs weighing 67 pounds or more visiting ADCC the days you are there, you are also willing to accept a 5% possibility of having chosen the wrong days. When there are dogs at ADCC weighing more than 67 pounds, in order to get your treats? Or, putting it differently, you are accepting a 5% chance that you may be wrong in assuming that there will be no dogs at ADCC the day you visit that will weigh 67 pounds or more.
Yes, that is a level I am comfortable with.
Well, Hans, you have now defined your alpha level, 5% or 0.05.
Thank you, Hera. Now I'm off to grab those treats.